we just got to Dockside and we've booked a 1-bedroom room because we haven't vlogged a 1-bedroom room. We've only vlogged a 2-bedroom suite and they've upgraded us to a 2-bedroom suite. So I will do you a room tour now, but this will probably be very similar to the last room tour that we did. And there is only 2 of us staying in this, so we've got like, it's going to be like a mansion. So you come in through the door there, and this room is very well known to us. We stayed in a room exactly like it last month. So we've got some plugs there and a USB, which I use to put my laptop on normally. You've got the 2 huge beds with an alarm clock in between. That space there does not open, but it's just used as a table. You've got the lamps above, some artwork there, some more plug sockets and USBs in front. You have some pegs there, also a TV, another lamp, 3 drawers for storage, telephone. You also have these, which are really useful and handy to put like backpacks and things on. Our view, so we're in Dockside, room 1957, I believe, is brilliant. We love this view. So it's not a view of Universal Studios because you have to pay extra for theme park view, and that would also probably be pool view as well. You can pay extra for pool view, but we like this view because we're very familiar with this area. So there's 4 points there, Hilton Garden Inn there, Home 2 is there, behind Home 2 is the Hilton Homewood Suites, and then you've got Fun Spot there, and then you can look right down in the distance down there. Not sure, I'm pretty sure that's a new Epic there. So yeah, and then down here is Red Lobster. That's 7-Eleven there, and yeah, so love this view. Then you've got the air conditioning unit there. In the kitchen area, you've got the coffee maker. Everything should be in here for coffee and condiments. You've got a microwave and fridge there. More storage underneath there. It does come in handy when you've got 4 of you, like they normally are staying in a 2-bedroom suite. Plenty of towels, and this sink area, which has got a double sink and a hairdryer. Some facial tissues and some soap. Then in here, which is bedroom 2, so it's classed as a 2-bed suite. You've got the bed, which is normally belongs to our daughter and her boyfriend, and another TV, another lamp, some more of these nice hooks. Obviously the view's going to be the same. Next to the bed is a waste paper bin and some more USB and another lamp. Then come in the other side, the same thing, and then the wardrobe, which has extra bedding up there and pillows, and an ironing board, and a few coat hangers too. And the bathroom, which has a toilet, plenty of paper, shampoo, conditioner, it's the surf and sand, and then a nice shower there, and also this is to hang your clothes up if you've got wet clothes, do you want to dry. And behind the door is a handy hook. So looking forward to staying here for the next 4 days. That's been a quick room tour because we're just going to have a quick wash and get back out there. We've missed Universal Studios over the last couple of days. You would have seen that we've been in the Disney area. We're rearing to go because we've just managed, out of the last week that we've been here, we've managed 1 day so far in Studios, Universal Studios. So yeah, we are so missing Hagrid's and Velocicoaster, so we need to get to Islands of Adventure as soon as we can, and hopefully we will take you with us. Watch the next video. Bye!